Hello everybody, good evening to me or good day to you. I don't know where you are watching this from, but here I am with, I think it's episode 4 for my sewing vlogs. And I must say that I really enjoy making this. I really like that, you really see what I'm sewing. It's not going to be every day sewing something because I don't have the time and what I need to do with all the clothes. But I really enjoy making these short videos and showing you what I'm working on. So, and I don't know, maybe show you my, I was thinking to show you my tools that I'm working at the day, what the ones that I'm using the most and stuff like that. So anyway, in the last episode yesterday, you saw I showed you this dress, not the dress. I showed you the fabric. I still have here a little bit, and I was telling you that I was going to make an Yvette dress from Designer Stitch. I have also here on the channel a tutorial on how to make the keyholes and bind the neckline, because it's a little bit fiddly, and with just a little bit of attention, the results are really nice. Although I need to say that in this one, something happened here. I think I stretched the fabric too much, and I think I'll have to unpick my neck binding and bring this a little bit in. I'm going to give it just a little bit more steam to see what's the problem here, but I do suspect that I did stretch it and I need to bring it in a little bit. That's an easy fix. I just need to do a little bit of unpicking. And over unpicking speaking, of course this went really fast. I did shorten up a little bit this dress. It's just a little bit shorter than the blue one that you can see in the review and tutorial here on the channel. But everything was working really fast. I made my keyholes, making the first step, not with the sewing machine, but with the serger. So really fast and really nice. Made my darts. And it was the moment to put the sleeves on. And again, as always, every time when I'm checking to see if I'm putting the sleeve correctly, I almost always do wrong, or maybe 50% out of times. So I was starting sewing, and of course I realized that I had the sleeve backwards, so I had to unpick part of the serge seam. But very easy, I take out one of the loopers, and then everything is going really easy, because I never it looks like when I need to take serger stitches from a knit fabric, from a stretchy fabric, I really cannot do that by pulling out the needle threads as I can do, for example, with a woven fabric. So pull one of the loopers, cut it really carefully. Really carefully is really easy with the seam ripper, and then just the rest, everything is coming out. I have a tutorial here with how to do that. I'm going to put it in the description of this video. Something that I want to show you. I'm sewing for a while, for some years, I don't know how many, and I always saw the applique scissor, or a duckbill scissor, I think it's called. And I was thinking, I don't really need another scissor. I have a bunch of them. So I think a few months ago, I was thinking, I found this. This one is from Prim. And I was like, oh, it was an offer, I think. So I said, I'm going to try it. And it's really great. I used this. Mostly I do my trimming. It doesn't matter what kind of trimming. I do it with my big shears. These are not the biggest ones. Mostly the biggest ones I'm using. I have some really big ones somewhere here. Where are they? I just saw them today. I don't know. I lost them. They were somewhere. Anyway, normally for cutting and stuff, when I'm not using my rotary cutter, I'm using the 28-inch. This one's from Kai. And for most of the cutting, I'm using the serrated ones. So I think it's an A. It's 7,280, and then with an A. The serrated version is really, those ones are really great. And for trimming, seam allowances and stuff like that, I'm using the 25 inches. This is really great. I have really much more control when I'm using big shears to trim. seam allowance than when I use, you know, the really small ones. So for the keyholes here, the binding must be trimmed in the back in order to sit flat, and this is also trimmed. I hate this, I don't like it. I need to fix this. So I tried to use this one, and it works really, really nice. It can be done without, of course, but if you have one and you need to do really close trimming, these duckbill scissors are working really nice. Yeah. So this is the dress. I still need to hem it. I'm going to let it hang a little bit, maybe till tomorrow or something. And I'm going to hem it with my, I think I'm going to use my cover stitch machine for it. And it has long sleeves, because I think it's very fall looking with all the colors. And I'm going to wear this with my boots. Can wear with the black and also with the tan ones, I think. The fabric sold really, really nice. It's a rayon knit from Minerva. And speaking about Minerva, I got some delivery today. So I have some projects to plan. And let me take my cable. You know, Minerva has their exclusive fabrics since a couple of months, and we get to choose every month a few fabrics to make projects with them. So today I got 3 of them. Of course, they are coming a little bit from I ordered, we could choose them a while ago, so now they arrived. So I have this one, which is really gorgeous. It's really, really nice. They are all rayon challis. They have also some sweater knits that are coming in stock. I have this one, which is also amazing. And I need to think about projects. And this one also. These are really, really great. The quality is nice. It's very drapey. I made 2 dresses with this. So they are going to become also dresses or shirts or stuff like that. I have some plans in my head, and I'm going to share them with you at the moment that I have them all put together. So this was it for tonight. For the rest, nothing special. I need to finish this tomorrow, and I must start on that coat, but it's still so warm here. I'm trying to do every time some other stuff that is not so warm. So maybe tomorrow I'm just going to show you my plans for these challis and show you my finished Yvette. So this was the episode for tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Put your notifications on to get every time notified when the new episode is coming online. And yeah, this was it. Take care. Love you, everybody. Bye.